Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that withdrawing USDT from platforms like Exportal is a must-know skill. Today, we're breaking down the process step by step, so you can do this quickly and securely. Whether you're cashing out for everyday use or transferring to another wallet, I've got you covered. First things first, make sure you have your Exportal account set up and verified. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. Look for the Wallet or Assets section. That's where all your cryptocurrencies, including USDT, are listed. Next, select your USDT balance. You'll see an option for Withdraw or Transfer Out. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Exportal might ask for additional details like the network you're using, such as Tron or Ethereum, since USDT can be on different blockchains. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. Review it carefully before approving. This is where two-factor auth comes in handy. After you confirm, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation email or notification in the app. A quick word of advice. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, never directly to an exchange, and stay vigilant against scams. Crypto is exciting, but safety first. There you have it. Withdrawing USDT from Exportal in 2025 made simple. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.